Good day everyone, welcome to 3D Experience 2022 launch online event of Computrends. I am Jayson. I am one of the applications engineer of Computrends who specializes in manufacturing solutions. Our presentation will last less than half an hour, so let's get started. Today we will discuss about future of design through 3D Experience platform. Some of you have heard of it, or some of you are already using it, and there are some who really have no idea what it is. So this is the presentation for you to understand what and how it can help your design process. SOLIDWORKS is a part of the SOLID system, the company that dominates the world of software for the manufacturing sector. Today, the SOLID system has 13 branches serves, 11 industries, 20,000 employees, and 180 offices across the world. SOLIDWORKS is an important part of the family with an organic contribution for about 20% of the revenue of the Dassault system for the last few years. The Dassault system has a clear strategy that is evolving in 2020 from social industry experiences to human industry experiences. To become the 3D Experience company, we have a clear strategy evolving in 2020 from social industry experiences to human industry experiences. Human means that our ultimate ambition and primary resource are one and the same, the human being. We don't want to be social network. We want to build on human imagination, knowledge, and know how to make a lasting contribution for the benefit of all. Human is our way forward and driving force. Industry. Industry means that we want to offer customers in every industry what they value the most, a sustainable outcome. Our industry solutions on the 3D Experience platform are tailored to each sector's need and allow customers to change the game in their industries in the most precise and efficient way. Experiences. The 20th century was the century of products. Today we have entered the age of experience. We enable businesses to move from product to experience with new categories of solutions that allow people to imagine and invent new uses. It's not about products to be used, but rather about life to be lived by people. To achieve this strategy, we will focus on developing our leadership in life science and healthcare alongside two other strategic sectors of the economy, manufacturing industries and infrastructure and cities. These sectors share similar development processes and sustainable needs in their efforts to improve quality of life, whether through more affordable and precise therapies, optimized infrastructures, or better use of the environment. SOLIDWORKS has always been and always be focused on achieving excellence in design. Our goal is to help our customers make a great design happen by offering them a chance to embrace what we think is the future of design. Every year, SOLIDWORKS focuses on enhancement and innovation, and also it dedicates higher resources to focus on quality and performance. There has been an extra effort to achieve some remarkable improvement, like for example, speed up your drawing creations with improved detailing mode with even more editing abilities, improve occlusion culling and silhouette edges, and use more of your GPU for faster frames, faster file operations, configuration switching, and automatic lightweight mode, resolving all help with the most complex assemblies. If you are using SOLIDWORKS PDM offers performance improvement that make most of your daily file operation and workflow significantly faster. We have the profound belief that the virtual world extends and improves the real world, and achieving a more sustainable future is only possible by leveraging the virtual world. In life, there are no rehearsals. In the virtual world, we can simulate and evaluate impacts before producing the product itself. Virtual world help people imagine differently. We do inspire and help customers create and build a more sustainable world. For people at home, for people at work, to create smarter places to live in for citizens, managing resources and energy for the long term, and offering personalized preventive healthcare for patients and developing inspirational education and research. The world of design is changing. The phase of innovation is accelerating. In 1870, it took 35 years for a quarter of the US population to adopt the telephone. Fast forward in 2009, in just 5 years, a quarter of the US population adopted social networks. The advancing of technology are determining the rise of very efficient cyber-physical biological systems, blurring the lines between human and machines, brain and algorithm. For the industries, dominating these advances in science, technology, and society has enormous complexity and consequences. The rise of the digital platform applications such as Shopee, Lazada, Carousel, Upwork, and even Lalamove, and many more, are combined both demand and supply disrupt existing system. These platforms lower the barriers for businesses and individuals to innovate. These platforms enable new paradigm and help build creative communities that are vital to stimulate in faster innovation. Platform, therefore, can and will transform businesses that wouldn't stay relevant and be the competition. So it is fitting that the foundation of SolidWorks strategy, starting now, is transforming from product thinking to platform thinking. We really want to bring to the market a platform for innovation. This is the 3D Experience platform. The 3D Experience platform is the only platform that is both system of operations to run a business and a business model to transform a business. As a system of operations, it enables businesses to innovate with operational excellences, from idea to modeling and simulation to market delivery and usage. It allows everyone involved in an innovation project, for the research lab, to the factory, to the consumer, to interact and work together. As a result, it empowers innovators to design and test consumer experiences before actually producing them. As a business model, it allows businesses to become platform companies that transform the relationship and roles across their value network. This happens among their means by removing intermediaries between seller and buyers, purchasers and subcontractors, service providers, and end customers. This is why our platform also acts as a marketplace or trading platform that connect customers willing to buy services such as 3D printing, design or engineering services, and service providers. The advantage of this platform is to connect people, ideas, data, and solutions in a single collaborative and interactive environment available at all times. Imagine, design, simulate, and deliver differentiated customer experiences, and break free of IT constraints to scale and ramp up faster. This is the 3D Experience platform, and we build the expanded SolidWorks portfolio called 3D Experience Works. The 3D Experience Works portfolio will bring to our customers the future of design to solve new problems by extending SolidWorks capabilities with a mission-critical platform offering a vast set of concept-to-market solutions that work together seamlessly. Collaborate without friction by securely shared data and collaborate from anywhere, at any time, and on any devices, combining structured and unstructured collaboration, and to work with the people you know and trust. One of the roles offered by 3D Experience Works is the 3D Experience SolidWorks role. This application is not far from our usual SolidWorks desktop. It has just added enhancement to modernize the SolidWorks strategy to a cloud-centric expanding portfolio, transform from product to platform thinking, integrate SolidWorks desktop to 3D Experience platform, builds the bridge from the present to the future design. The license is managed and assigned directly on the 3D Experience platform. Simplified licensing and entitlement for instant provisioning and deprovisioning can be securely remove access at any time. Use a name user licensing to eliminate lock for a specific machine and never needed to manage activate, deactivate, or reactivating, with a unique credential 3D Experience ID for all platform applications. It is installed directly from the 3D Experience platform. for easier deployment and always on the latest version. Critical fixes are automatically pushed and no complex admin image or network deployments needed. Accessing the SOLIDWORKS application made easily by creating a desktop shortcut and directly start from it or from the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. The best-in-class capabilities of SOLIDWORKS CAD are retrofitted to directly connect within the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Created 3D models and 2D drawings along with the application, specific tools for sheet metal, weldments, surfacing, molds, cable and wire harness routing, piping routing, and photorealistic renderings of products. On the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, you can create and assign tasks to structure your own and your colleagues' work through a user-friendly user interface, fast and simple. Maximizing powerful search and tagging tools for easy reuse and standardized components and directly access an online catalog of millions of qualified suppliers' components. 3DEXPERIENCE SOLIDWORKS rules are more than just 3D CAD tools. Complete solution with built-in and secure cloud data management and collaboration. Shorten product development time, reduce costs, and improve quality while leveraging knowledge and know-how from your entire organization. Instantly preview files, interrogated 3D model, take measurement, explode the model, add markup, and share snapshot directly to 3D Swim community anywhere, anytime, and on any devices with no plugin or software to install. Creating a collaborative space for the project and allowing the organization's members and vendors to work in the collaborative space makes information flow easier among the various stakeholders. Compare designs function give you the ability to find slight differences between two models. Perhaps you receive an updated model back and are not sure of all the changes made. You can easily view, capture, document, and track product issues for resolution in their different states of maturity and the priorities attached to each one. Issues can be raised against a variety of objects, not just parts and files. By placing an issue directly on the 3D geometry, you can easily visualize and identify the location. They can be raised against a process or just business issue in general, and there can even be multiple issues related to the same problem. The SALT system provides support for all 3DEXPERIENCE platform users. You can upgrade your solutions, submit online requests, browse online knowledge, submit non-defect requests, and communicate directly with cloud experts. The SALT system has packaged all the support services you need to start getting value out of your experience on day one to stay ahead of the curve and drive faster results. Here's the 3DEXPERIENCE SOLIDWORKS packages offers. With the SOLIDWORKS desktop software you know and love, plus the 3DEXPERIENCE cloud services that keep you more productive, collaborative, and mobile, makes a lot of difference. So I think we're done. I hope this information helps you understand what and how this solution can help your process. Again, thank you so much for participating on our event.